Hi everyone, my name is Chanel Smalls. I am currently employed as a certification recruitment resource parent case manager. I certify potential foster parents for children who are in out of home care. Also, in my first field placement, I interned at an alternative high school and I worked with pregnant and parenting teens. My experience working with families thus far has been since I since I recruit and certify foster homes for children in out at home care. I feel like my experience would be helping the children and placing them in just what we would call a for now family, where they can be in a safe and stable environment where they can flourish, hopefully flourish. As I was raised mainly by my grandmother, because my mother was a teen parent, so my grandmother took full reign and she raised me. And I also was mainly raised in a environment with dominant women, like women that just go getters, just dominant. Even though my mom was a teenage mom, my role in my family has been I'm the person, the go-to person that likes to help everybody. My home has been the home where if someone needed a place to stay, they could come and stay. If they needed something to eat, they could come and eat. Because I don't like to see people suffer, and that's kind of what helped me also to be able to why I chose the career of a social worker. And I've only been a social worker for 3 years. Prior to that, I was a certified nursing assistant for 26 years. But I have found that that I love helping people, and this is something that I wanted to continue to do. So I look forward to learning more about working with families and the approaches and interventions or even preventions that to utilize when working with them. Thank you.